these little critters here. I'm a little upset. Came down this morning and I'm missing a whole fish. So I waited it out. I said, well, maybe he's hiding somewhere. Even though I didn't feel that was the case. A little white fish is gone. I don't see any carcass. I'm not sure what y'all did to him. But I see a whole lot of poop. So somebody ate good from the time you ate yesterday. There shouldn't be any poop in this tank like that. And look at them acting like they all so innocent. But I think this is the algae eater who got him. Where are you anyway? Just poor little white fish, wherever you are. Oh, there's the algae eater. Well, I've waited over 6 hours and you haven't appeared. You're gone.